Codex is absolutely incredible, but today we're going to push it to the limits by building out FC26. And to make it extra fun, we're going to do it in 5 attempts. So let's get to it. So I've already opened up my Codex and I'm inside a directory already. So I'm going to paste in a bit of a prompt that I engineered so that it will be able to build it out for us. Now, to be fair though, I'll take you guys through it in a minute. But to be fair though, I would want to give it everything it's going to need. So I'm going to set it on fast and definitely extra high. Yeah, extra high. And as well, plan mode, just so it could do everything that it would need to be able to build this thing out. So let me help you understand it really well. So I'm going to be judging it on 5 metrics. The first of all is the playability, which is basically if the game runs and are the controls responsive. I mean, if you click pass, does it pass? Can players easily understand how to play? And basically everything else around playability. The second metric though is if it actually feels like football. Does passing feel intentional? When you pass to this particular person on the field, does it go to that exact person? Are you able to shoot, dribble, and does the ball behave in the right manner? So that is basically for metric 2. Now as well, we're going to watch how it performs on player intelligence. I mean, considering FC26, there's a lot that the inbuilt AI does. I mean, when you are playing against the AI, it's able to tackle, it is able to make saves, all of those, right? Another thing though is how it is able to detect the match systems like goals, the score, and everything. Okay, so it's asking me a couple of questions. So inside this specific folder, 2D top down, what should the first playable version use for the match camera and presentation? Yeah, I'm gonna go with the recommended version here. Playable match, definitely. Okay, so this is basically the prompt that I sent it to. So objectively, we are building FC26, a recreation of how the entire thing is, not every specific form though. Okay, what team size should, how about 11 against 11? What control scheme should V1 target first? Okay, so we're going to stick with keyboard, balance visual presentation. Well, let me just go with the recommended because I don't even know what that means. So the questions it's asking is if it should use 11 players on the court. I mean, if we're going to create FC26, we might as well keep it as realistic as possible. So 11 seems like a great fit, right? Yeah, so let's see what else it has to ask and what else it's going to do. Okay, so Codex made a plan for the implementation of what we are asking it to build. Now, this seems like a handful, so I'm not going to read through. I mean, basically, that's the point of this tutorial. So I'm just going to submit the implementation plan just so we can get started on it immediately. And if there's one thing that I really love about Codex, it's that it follows instructions pretty well. And I love that so much because more than half the time, when I'm inside Claude Code and I encounter a bug, I keep asking Claude to fix and it is not able to. I just switch over to Codex and within minutes it fixes it for me. That is ironic though because when I started using Codex for the first time, I got the worst first first time experience ever. And I think I made a video on that. You should see that popping up somewhere right here. But basically now I love it and I think it's really underrated. I think it's very good. So try it out if you haven't already. And while you are at it, consider giving us a subscription and liking the video if possible. This goes a long way into encouraging us to make more videos such as this. Now, let's just get back to it, yeah? Okay, so Codex is finally done and I think we have V1 ready. Let's see how long it ran. So it ran for 1 hour and a minute. Wow. So I'm expecting that for running so long, it should give us something really good. Okay, so let's just open it up here. Let me just open it in my browser over here. Okay, so this is what we have currently. It looks okay, so let's just test it out by playing. How do I pass? Really? So it says J is for shooting. I'm clicking J, nothing is happening. Through passes is supposed to be E. Why is there a flick but the ball is still at my feet? Let's see. And it says tackle, but it's not actually tackling. Okay, so let me try scoring a goal and see. Okay, so the score changes. Why is it that it passed to me? Let's see if a keeper can stop a goal. I'm literally giving the ball to it and it's not even taking the ball. Okay, what about own goals? Since I'm not able to pass, let's see if own goals will count. Okay, so that one counts too. Tells us, well, the timing is also right. Let's see if when we cross the half time, it's going to count as well. We don't have the time to test it out. So let's just go back to IDE and then prompt for attempt 2. Right. So you are working on a football game inspired by FC26. The current build has a pitch, it has players, teams, menu system, scoreboard, a timer, a player switch, and basic match flow. However, the core football mechanics are currently broken and incomplete. What is working now is you are able to score goals by walking the ball into the goal area. However, the pass button does not work, the through pass does not work, shooting doesn't work. It only shows tackle, but it doesn't actually tackle or win the ball from the opponent. And ball possession logic is only per one player. No passes are done. So your task is not to redesign the game. Your task is to make football actually work like football. So get that done. Okay, so I have the prompts ready. What I'm using is Whisper Flow for the voice. This is what is below here. I'm using Whisper Flow, and no, they are not sponsoring the video. But in case anybody from Whisper Flow team is seeing this, I mean, you know what to do. Shoot me an email, yeah. So I think it's really good to. Let's see if we have everything summed up in that. Yeah, I think that's about it. Okay, so now we have attempt 2 also done. I can't really tell what exactly it did, so I'm just going to open it on the browser and then hopefully see what it did. Okay, so I can see okay, so we finally gotten version 3 ready. Let me just open it on browser for you to see. And I think it's pretty decent. Unfortunately, the footage for version 2 was a bit laggy, so I'm not sure I'm going to include it in the main video. But this is what V3 looks like. You see, I can lose possession and all of that. I can pass the ball pretty decently, very nice. You can see there's interception of passes. I think E is for 2 passes. Oh, that was a nice little pass, but I didn't get through. Oh, come on, I want to score a goal. Sucking at this. Oh no, I cannot concede. On goal. Unfortunately, I scored against myself. Oh no. Come on, I can't score a goal. Come on, what are you doing? Oh, hit the bar. I think I'm the cause of my own troubles here. Put it. Okay, so I've equalized. Well, basically, I think it works well. I think it's easy to say that this isn't really, I mean, FC26, but it's decent. It's decent. I mean, it's playable. The interceptions work really well. There are things I may have to correct, but I think for this tutorial, all of this is okay for me. Yeah, and I think you'd love it too. I think there's no offside rules. Okay, and it's halftime. So I think it's nice. It's alright. It's alright. Not the best, but it's alright. What was I going to do with the keeper there? We get a clean shot over here. Okay. Score again. So I just wanted to please my ego by scoring. So I'm going to end it here. Let's see. I think my limit reset because my weekly limit resets. Not invite a friend, sorry. My weekly limit resets. So you can see the 5 hour limit got to 84. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm hoping to have suggestions as to what to do next in the comment section. What you want to see me build next. I have 200. I subscribe to the 200 max subscription, and I barely have any use for it. I got greedy. I wanted to have the most the most usage for my money. So I subscribed to the 200 when I could have done the 100, which would have been fairly moderate. But anyway, if you loved this, do suggest what you would like to see next in the comment section below. And of course, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Yeah.